So now it's time to install your Facebook pixel in WordPress. For that, simply go ahead and log into your Facebook and click on this arrow, click on manage ads, and right over here, once you are in your ads manager, click on this top 3 arrows or top 3 lines and click on pixels. Once it loads, you'll see setup pixel. So click on setup pixel. Now, if you haven't done this anytime, then this is what you will see. If you have already done it, you will see details and click on details and you will find the pixel. But for the first ever time, you will have to click on setup pixel and click on manually install the code yourself. Go down and click once on this and it will entirely copy the code. Now go back to your WordPress and come down over here where it says header.php, the same place where we were for Google Analytics code. And here it is, head, enter and paste the code right over here. Click on update file and make sure you refresh the page once so that even the Facebook pixel gets fired for our tracking purpose. You can click on close for this, and this is how you install your Facebook pixel in WordPress.